see my OneWheel pint. And it's got dings on the side. It's got, same with the other side, scratches on the bottom. But those don't worry me because, I mean, it's a scratch and you're going to get them anyways. It's got, you know, grip tape. Eventually I'll need to get grip tape in there. One of the most annoying things I've encountered so far with my OneWheel pint is dirt flying and like getting all over the bumpers and hitting my legs, or like if it gets wet and there's water and it's spraying on your legs. Like I got soaked yesterday on my leg. It's just not something you want. So thank you to Craft&Ride for sending this over. So here we have the Craft&Ride Spectrum Magnetic Fender. Alright, so now the wind has calmed down. So here. So you're greeted with a little Craft&Ride little like paper over this, which is nice. This one has the sticker because I got the black option, so this is signifying that I have black. Also, one thing to remember when you're riding your OneWheel, make sure you have safety gear. Helmet, take that off. Wrist guards, I mean, helmet is necessary, wrist guards are recommended, but not necessary. And then I wear knee pads, so if I were to nosedive, I have the protection in the knee pads. I'll link the Craft&Ride. They make really good wrist guards and knee pads, all of that on their website. And if you also want, you can have elbow pads. So let's take this off. It's some really nice paper. So you're greeted with, oh, this is nice, drawstring bag that says Craft&Ride. So along with a box and a fender, you also get a nice drawstring bag, which is really nice. Let's open our new drawstring bag. Let's pull this out. It's a nice build quality. It's got the magnets, little light bar. Yeah, it fits really nicely. It's got a little light bar cut out. It says Craft&Ride. And now we have our little, now we have a new drawstring bag. And then on the back, so you can contact them. You can contact their CEO directly if you go to their website, if you ever need support with your thing, which is really nice because OneWheel, not the greatest support. You've got little stickers. Put some on my OneWheel in a bit. That's nice. So that's just like the accessories. Now let's get to the heavy stuff, magnets and the instructions. Make sure to carefully read the instructions. We have all these down, so I'm going to line them up. And I'm going to make sure this fits. This doesn't fit, and then we'll have an issue. Alright, so I got them all on right. So the fender works. It is very strong. Alright, so we've now put on these things. Craft&Ride, thanks again for sending this over. Let's test it out. So I'm just going to seat it at the bottom. It's a very easy setup. I bet anyone could do it. Alright, looks like we got it on. Oh my god, look at that. I'm just holding that. Okay. Works as advertised. So, they literally are holding, so even though it's easy to get off this, these mounts are strong. It was literally holding the whole pint up, which is, this thing is not light, I'll tell you that. This is nice because it's going to protect. And so one of the things about the magnetic one that you're going to want is, if you have the stock one, if dirt or something gets in here, or water, and then leaves and stuff starts climbing up, with this one you can just rip it off, clean out the bottom, put it back on. With the stock one from OneWheel, you'd have to unscrew every single one, take everything out, and then rescrew. This one you just pop off. So that's really nice. So now I'm going to choose a sticker to put on. I'm going to find a place. I'm going to put it on. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so I've chosen this sticker, the shiny reflective Craft&Ride sticker to put on. I'm going to put it on right here. Let's do this. Got the Craft&Ride sticker on. It's pretty easy. Here you can see the sticker. It's reflective. And you can see the top. Thank you, Craft&Ride.